All right, so we're gonna do 1/2 inch finger joints. So as you can see, right, if it'll focus, this is what we need to do. We need 1A, 1B, and 2 E's to make 1/2 inch on the dado stack. Taking out the regular blade and putting on the dado stack here. So to raise that up, just a little bit above the thickness of my stock. Slide this back. Gonna lock this guard down to the thickness of the stock. Now we're gonna put it on here. And I'm gonna remove this so you can see. And this is how it looks dry fitted together before we do the glue up. I'm doing the glue up right here. Placing clamps on all 4 corners, trying to get even pressure. Checking for square. And it is. Using the method to get all the edges flat for this, gluing up the bottom and the top. Clamping it up, giving it time for the glue to dry. And gonna use a staple saw here to cut through each side to take the lid off. And as you can see right there, it's pretty good. Doing a slight round over just to break the edges. I've clamped some stencils down here and I'm gonna trace them out, and then I'm gonna use my wood burning wand to wood burn Carson's name into the top of the box.
Papa, it be dark. Papa, it don't be dark in my room.
Did you turn the light on?
No, I turn it off. Papa, this go work.
That's gonna be your light?
Yeah. Papa, this don't be the light.
Cool.
look like him a human.
It's your nightlight?
Papa, you done now?
Almost. You like it?
Papa, you not done it?
No. You like it though?
What is that?
That's your name.
Papa, what is that?
What, this?
Yeah,
It's called a wood burning wand.
it makes me hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. You like it?
Yeah.
There's the other part of the box over there. That's the bottom part.
Whoa. Papa, that one or that one? Papa, that one or that one?
Yeah, that's the bottom and this is the top.
That's my name.
That's your name.
That's my name, Papa.
It is your name.
Yeah.
Got your name on your box.
You're not done yet.
Not yet. Getting close. What you gonna do with the box?
Maybe. I put toys in it.
Put toys in it?
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Papa. Look, Papa. Papa did spider webs.
See spider webs?
Yeah, Papa. I did it. The spider webs doing here. Papa, night time.
You hear the frogs out there?
In night time.
Yeah, you ready to go night night?
No. Papa, this light in the door. Like that. Told you.
Don't step on that.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Papa.
It's okay.
Hey, Papa, what's this? Hey, Papa, what's this? Hey, look. Papa, look.
In case you didn't figured out by now, my name is Papa. And now I'm making the little pieces that go inside the box. It's gonna stick a little bit above the inside so I can hold the lid on. And since all the pieces are kind of cut to a different size, make it easy, I'm numbering each one and gluing them inside and clamping them down, allowing them time to dry. And he wanted it to be this color of blue right here, which is, it's really a beautiful blue, but I've never used this before, and I believe it's like a chalk paint. I probably wouldn't use it again, at least not for nothing like this. Maybe I just didn't know what I was doing with it, I don't know. Here I'm just applying the finish over the top of it. And it's basically good to go, and he'll be able to put his toys inside. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.